Check out this 2009 Dodge Journey. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. With a solid 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, brakes safely with the anti-lock braking system. Heated seats are a desirable comfort feature. Let the outside in with a built-in sunroof. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, side airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.